Hi there, it's Kaya from Kaichika Crafts, and today I will show you how easy it is to make a plaid watercolor background. I will start as usual when using water on the paper. I will tape it down so it won't warp when I am using a lot of water. Next I will put down a lot of distress ink, and I am using Salty Ocean color this time. Then I will water it quite a bit so I will have enough of color to make my plaid. As you can see, I'm using a big brush right now and I will make diagonal stripes. I will try to make the whole stripe in one go because this makes it look more smooth and beautiful. I will make the distance between them around half of an inch or even a bit less, and then I will heat set it because I want to make sure that it won't bleed once I apply the other stripes. So as said, I will do the stripes again but on the other direction, and as you can see I will get these little white squares in the middle. When I'm happy with the result, I will then use cheap SAPPHIRE and make another line. As you can see, I didn't heat set the Salty Ocean lines quite good, so I got the bleeding, so I decided to keep it in the video so you can see what happens if you don't heat set the paper enough, and I will just make another plaid, and this is what I got. So it's the same process, but I make it again because I didn't want to have the bleeding there. I will use this beautiful Foxy, and I decided to make it gray because I feel like blue and gray go great together. I am using three colors, W4, 2 and 0, and I will start with the darkest color where the shadows would be, and then I will just blend it out. Then I will just use these peach colors for its ears, and then I will even make a little pink cheeks that makes her even more beautiful. I will then die cut it using its coordinating die, and we can start positioning our card. Before that, I will stamp out the sentiment. I decided to go with Hello Foxy because it's super fun and I just love it. I will stamp Hello in black, and then I will use Broken China Distress Oxide to stamp the Foxy. Then I will move to the actual positioning. I am using double-sided tape for this plaid background, and then I will pop this sentiment up with some foam tape. I die cut this with stitched rectangle, and I got this beautiful rectangle that is embellished just enough that it gives that extra interest in the middle. So I will glue this down, and then I will use liquid glue to put my Foxy down because I felt like I have enough dimension already. To finish up the card, I will just use the sequins. I'm using Foggy Cloud, and this will actually finish up this card. Hope that you will try this fun play background, but don't forget to heat set it enough to get these bold and beautiful lines. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye!